Hello everyone, I am Shan Kumar TM, Assistant Professor, BITM College, Ballari. Last class we have discussed the electroplating process. Today I am going to explain the principle of electroplating process. So majorly the three very important parameters involved in the metal finishing process, that is polarization, decomposition potential and over voltage. Now in detail we understand the principal part. The first one is polarization. The polarization is nothing but it is the process of variation of electrode potential due to inadequate or incomplete supply of metal ions present in the electrolytic solution to the surface of the base metal or substrate metal. That phenomenon we can call it as the polarization. See, it is nothing but, so once the electrolysis takes place in the electroplating bath, the momentum of the ion takes place from the solution towards the surface of the metal. So once it is moving takes place to the surface of that metal, but it is not continuous, and the nearer the metal present in the electrode, it easily deposited on the surface of the base metal, but the far away present in the metal, it takes some time to move towards the surface of that metal. At the time some potential variation takes place. So that is why the variation of that electrode potential is exist. At the time the electrode is polarized, that phenomenon we can call it as the polarization. So the electrode potential we can easily calculate by using the Nast equation. We know the Nast equation, that is E is equal to E naught plus 0.0591 by N into log of concentration of Mn plus. E naught is standard electrode potential, Mn plus is the concentration of metal ion surrounding the electrode surface, and N is the number of electron transfer. Now in detail we understand the process. The process is very simple. Just we dip the two electrode in electrolytic solution. One electrode is acts as anode, another is act as a cathode material, and we are using the suitable electrolytic sample solution. So once we pass the electricity, the metal ion is going to deposit on the surface of the metal takes place. But that the nearer the metal ion present in the electrode, it is easily attached on the surface of that metal, but if the metal is far away from the base metal, it takes some time. At the time it exhibits some variation of the potential. So this is the process of the formation or develop the polarization in the electroplating bath. Now, so what are the factors which affecting on the polarization process? The majorly the polarization is depending upon the nature of the electrode surface, concentration of electrolyte, temperature, stirring of electrolytic solution and product formed at the electrode. So these are the very important factors which affecting on the polarization process. Now we move on to the next principal part, that is decomposition potential. So decomposition potential is nothing but the minimum voltage is required to start the electrolysis process in an electrolytic solution, that is called as decomposition potential. See, decomposition potential means, so if the electroplating process takes place only when you apply the electricity. So once you apply the minimum voltage, the electrolysis not takes place. But if you apply that electricity again and to increase the current, at particular current applied, the electrolysis is starting takes place. That applied voltage we can call it as the decomposition potential. Now we understand the process of this decomposition potential. Now we take one example. The example is we are using the two metals, one is A and B as an electrode. It is connected with the voltmeter through ammeter M to measure the strength of the current by using E. E is the external source of the material, we can also call it as EMF. So, once you apply the electricity, so what happens? The current is flowing through the two electrode. Then, so once we apply the voltage at particular potential, the electrolysis is takes place. Electrolysis means how to identify the electrolysis process by the evolution of hydrogen and oxygen. So, hydrogen and oxygen is evolution takes place, then at that point we can call it as the decomposition potential of that particular electrolyte sample solution. So, now we move on to the third one is over voltage. Over voltage is we can denote it by eta. So, over voltage is nothing but it is for the start of electrolysis process we are applying the minimum voltage current, but if you do the practically it requires some extra voltage to start the electrolysis process in an electrolytic solution. That extra voltage we can call it as over voltage. So, over voltage is nothing but it is the experimental decomposition potential minus theoretical decomposition potential, means so theoretically we can easily calculate the minimum voltage is required to start the electrolysis process in an electrolytic solution, but when you start this process practically it requires not exactly that voltage, it requires some extra voltage to start the electrolysis process in an electrolytic solution. That phenomenon we can call it as over voltage. So, for more details please subscribe my channel. Thank you, one and all.